Well, yeah, I know, Mr. Mitchell, but...
Now, here you are again. With your name in the book for turning up over 20 minutes late. Didn't you really note it? It's not as if you live miles away. I travel in 6 miles from Burton every day, and you don't see me turning up to work at 6 with no real excuse.
No, Mr. Mitchell, it's just that the baby kept on...
Details of your private life are no concern of mine, Garvey. We're here to run a railway. What kind of service would we have if everyone had your attitude, Garvey? Answer me that. There, you see. Everyone else can get in here on time, and so can you. Well, you know the score. I'm offering you half a day's pay. I'll be more than fair. There's men in this town who give their eye teeth to that railway house of yours. To say nothing of your free passes and your cheap code. But if you're reporting to me once more for persistent lateness, Garvey, it'll be the parting of the ways and no mistake. You'll be out on the street, you and your family, and you've brought it all on yourself. Do you understand?
Sorry, Mr. Mitchell.
Very well then, Garvey. Get back to the foundry and see it doesn't happen again.